Alright, moving on. Next call. Alright, we have... Hey, retard! I said, hey, retard!
I would greatly appreciate if you stopped throwing paper balls at me. Thanks. Listen here, motherfucker. If you throw another goddamn paper ball at me, I will fuck your shit up. I'm not to be fucked with.
Hey, retard! Nice helmet!
You gonna die today, motherfucker?
Whoa, calm down, retard. I think you got your helmet on too tight.
Oh, you know what? I think it is. You wanna fix it for me?